Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a default SIM card to send a text message on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Android phone, and then you're going to tap on the connection setting. Then on this connection setting, you have to click on SIM card manager. Okay, and here you can set default SIM card to send messages. You can tap on messages, then you're going to select SIM card. For example, I'm gonna go with my SIM 1. Okay, and now the default SIM card for the text message has been changed. And actually, there is another way to set default SIM card to send text message. You just need to swipe down your screen on the home screen. Then you're going to swipe down one more time. Then just click on text messages right here and select the SIM card you would like to use to send a message on your Android phone. And alright guys, that's how we can set default SIM card to send a text message on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.